Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be looking at a number of exciting machines. You'll definitely want to make sure you see the crane with the 800-ton lifting capacity. First up, we have the PistenBully 600W, which is a snow groomer. Kasbohrer, a German company, has built this machine. It includes a 5.2 meter wide 12-way blade mounted on the front that cuts and levels the snow surface. A power tiller unit attached at the back leaves a corduroy finish on the snow. This well-plowed snow allows skiers to glide over the snow smoothly. The machine also features an automatic winch system, which aids while dealing with difficult slope conditions. It automatically maintains the tension by synchronizing the machine's travel speed with the rope. A 6-cylinder Cummins engine has been installed in this machine that generates 339 kilowatts with 2,250 Newton-meters of torque. Next, we have the HOLMER Terra DOS T4, which is a sugar beet lifter. It consists of 3 different units. The harvester unit, mounted at the front, is integrated with an onboard computer. It automatically adapts to the depth of the individual plants so that each beet can be lifted precisely. Its topper unit also automatically adjusts to the set height, leaving only a bit of leaf stock. Its cleaning unit, including the transfer web, turbines, and elevator, is set up to get the best flow rates and ensure perfect cleaning. It is powered by a Mercedes engine, providing 626 horsepower at low RPM. With this machine, offset track driving is possible, which prevents rolling over the same track twice. Before introducing this machine, it is important to know about slurry, which is prepared by mixing cow manure with water. Farmers use it as a fertilizer for crops. Here we have the 4-axle slurry tanker from GARANT KOTTE, which was built to discharge slurry on farm fields. It is maneuvered using a powerful tractor. The tanker has a volume capacity of 32 cubic meters and features a wide trailing hose distributor offering a working width of 36 meters. Its vacuum tank trailer works with vacuum and overpressure. If the tank is to be filled, its powerful pump system is used to create a vacuum. As a result, the slurry flows into the barrel with ease. During discharge, the pump generates an overpressure that actively transfers the slurry to the applicator. Next, we have the BROKK 900. It's a mini demolition machine designed for metal processing applications. It can be attached to a wide variety of head attachments, weighing in at only 600 kilograms. The robot has a hydraulic boom that rotates 360 degrees and has a vertical reach of 10 meters and a horizontal reach of 95 meters. It is heat shielded for red-hot refractory work in metal factories and includes a heat-shielded hydraulic breaker. This machine is controlled via a portable remote with a range of up to 300 meters. It is powered by a 74 horsepower diesel engine with an integrated intelligent power system that improves machine performance and runtime. This vehicle's sturdy frame can survive virtually any risky situation. Next comes the XCA750, an all-terrain mobile crane that has been designed for wind turbine installation and maintenance. When completely extended, its 7-section primary telescopic boom reaches 69 meters. This height can be further increased by installing a customized extension of 36.2 meters. It is capable of overhauling 1.5 to 2.5 megawatt turbines to a height of 120 meters. 6 of the crane's 8 axles are driven, while its single wishbone suspension system provides better ground clearance and more tonnage per axle. This agile crane can easily overcome an incline of 30%. Next is the Sany SCC-8000A, a crawler crane offering a lifting capacity of 800 tons. It comes equipped with a 111-meter long boom, and a fixed 15-meter long jib can be attached to it. The crane's redesigned cab offers more comfort, safety, and easy control over the crane. It is equipped with a real-time monitoring system to ensure the balance of the crane and safety while hauling loads or just maneuvering it on the worksite. The whole machine is constructed in a modular manner, and each of its pieces is created individually to assemble and transport it as simply as possible. Last but not least, we have the Sany SH950. It's a piling machine designed for the construction of foundation. Its suspended bucket is connected to several winches, which control vertical movement as well as the opening and closing of the bucket. Since the machine features synchronous confluence technology, the closed bucket can be opened fully within 9 seconds. Conversely, it closes the bucket with a force of 2,200 kilonewtons. Its gyroscope technology helps the operator adjust the deviation of the gantry push plate in real time. The machine offers a construction depth of 80 meters and is powered by an Isuzu engine, producing 377 kilowatts at 1800 RPM. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We know this one was extra long, but we genuinely hope you enjoyed it. We put in a lot of time into it. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.